Today, I'm going to show you my review of the NutGo app, a colorful and engaging puzzle game available on Android devices. If you enjoy relaxing games that are easy to learn but still challenging enough to keep you hooked, this one is worth checking out. Key features and gameplay. The core of NutGo is simple color sorting. You drag and drop colorful nuts and bolts into their correct stacks. The controls are intuitive, so even if you've never played a sorting game before, you'll understand it right away. But simplicity doesn't mean boring. NutGo introduces progressive challenges, so the levels get trickier as you advance, keeping the game satisfying and fun. With its high quality design and smooth animations, every level looks polished. Another big plus is offline play. You don't need the internet to enjoy it, making it perfect for traveling or playing on the go. User experience. Players describe the game as both relaxing and joyful. The colorful environment and smooth gameplay provide a great balance between challenge and relaxation. It's easy to pick up for short sessions, but also engaging enough for extended play. Plus, the layout is clean with minimal ads, so you can focus on the puzzles without constant interruptions. Pros: easy to learn and play, great for short breaks. Smooth animations and high quality graphics, works offline anytime, anywhere. Relaxing yet challenging gameplay. Cons: some players wish for more features for long term variety. May not appeal to gamers who prefer complex or competitive experiences. Overall, NutGo is a well designed puzzle app that blends challenge, relaxation, and accessibility. It's a great choice if you're looking for a simple but satisfying mobile game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.